ecosystem. So if making money is what you're interested in, and if growing your skill in crypto ecosystem, then this is the channel where you can get it. What I do on this channel is I teach basically crypto and technical analysis, information around crypto, news around crypto and technical analysis. So I'm not going to be stressing myself much. So majorly I talk to you guys about basic strategy you can put in place that can help you. So in today's live stream, I want to show you, I want to discuss with you guys how I lost my $100 in my early years of trading. Although I don't trade again, what I do now is I just teach analysis and then give you guys information around crypto and how this can help you guys and make money. You understand? So what I want to share with you is my experience and how this experience can help newbies that are coming into the ecosystem to trade, so that they won't make the same mistake I made those days I started trading in my early days. So if you're coming into the ecosystem to trade, one of the things you should focus on, and one of the things that should be your priority, should not be profit. Don't make profit your priority. What you should make your priority is understanding the nitty-gritty of trading, the strategy and things you need to know before you start taking profits. Understand that the market is configured for profit and loss. Okay? And you're not coming to the market to make losses, you're coming to make profit. So definitely profit is inevitable. You must definitely make the profit. But what should you focus on? Then focus on the things that you need to put in place to achieve the profit. You understand? And this thing become your lifestyle, and then you begin to make profit consistently against making lot of losses. Okay? So if you have your fund for trading and you want to venture into trading to invest in coins, crypto tokens, should you just delve into the market like that and start trading? No, don't do it, because it might affect your fund. There are some things you need to understand, and these are things I want to discuss with you. So how do I lost my money in those days? How do I lost my money? That was 2022. How do I lost my money trading there? The first thing was I was very greedy. That was the first thing. I was very greedy. And what is the greediness around trade, especially newbie? When they see profit and they want to take the profit, they expand the profit beyond limit, thinking that, okay, this market is going to skyrocket or boom to this extent. But you've forgotten that one of the major things you need to understand about the market is the crypto market is very volatile. Please, if you're viewing this thing, thanks for joining. Please subscribe, okay? I'm talking about how I lost my first $100 trading. And what I'm saying now is, the first point I'm sharing now is my greediness. Now, in the talking about risk management, one of the principles of risk management is how to set your profit. Don't just set your profit at high range, believing that the market will reach there. No. The first thing you should do is always learn to put your profit at 5%, because you can't determine the market. If you put your profit at 10, 20%, the market can dip down, and at the end of the day, you lose your position and you lose your fund. So what you should do is set your take profit at 5%. So if you're a guru, you are deep in the market, you know how things are behaving in the market, then you can as well put it up. Or if you have enough fund, you can as well put up. Please, if you have any question, ask your question. I will definitely answer your question, okay? And if I don't have answer to it, I will do video on it and I will definitely answer you, okay? So don't be too greedy in the market. Once you analyze your market, the market, create your position, and then 5% take profit is enough. Greediness might liquidate your fund, and you might end up not having anything in the market. Okay, be very careful against greediness. It's gonna affect you while you're trading, and this is applicable to if you're a forex trader too. If you're a forex trader, it's applicable. Don't be too greedy. Take minimal profits, cut the loss, and reposition for another profit. It's going to help you. Since the market is always there, the market is not running away. Once you take the profit, go back again. You understand? That's how you just keep recycling it. So what's the second thing that affected me? I focused more on taking profit, neglecting my strategy. the basic thing that helps you in the market to take profit is understanding the strategy that helps you to take profit. If you're a trader, adopt a strategy that works for you, or you can as well adopt other strategy that can resonate with the strategy you know or complement the strategy you already have. So there are a lot of strategy in the market. You can use the SMC strategy, and within SMC, there are a lot of strategy within SMC that can help you create focus in the market when analyzing. You understand, even to know the market structure and the likes. You can use chart pattern, Fibonacci. There are a lot of strategies that can help you take profit. So don't jump on taking profit. No, don't jump on taking profit. Find a strategy that works for you while you're analyzing the market, or if you want to be a consistent trader. You get what I'm trying to say? Like, whether you're a forex trader, whether you're a crypto trader, don't just jump into the market to take profit. Find a strategy for yourself. One of my best strategies is chart pattern. Once I see the market, I use the chart pattern to David, look at the stop loss, look at the valid and invalid, you understand the mitigated, draw my support and my resistant line, then I look at the impulsive move, retest and the whole thing. I already know how it's going to move in the market, you get. So your strategy is very important. Don't neglect it. It affected me, and that's how I lose my phone. Okay? All right, guys, thanks for joining. I'm discussing how I lost my $100 in my early days of trading crypto. Okay, so the next thing is I went for meme coin. That's the next thing. This point I want to share with you guys really affected me. See, I'm laughing. I'm laughing at myself. Those points really affected me while I was trading then. Man, I went for Hotcoin and meme coin. Why I traded meme coin then was because I wanted to do DeFi, decentralized exchange. So I jumped into DeFi trading. I don't really study those meme coins to know what they are all about, get the proper information about them. I just pick them randomly, swap them, you understand, then I left them there. And before you know, all the old meme coin, they went flat. When you're having hope for something that is very hopeless, that was what happened to me there. I was so hopeless. I was so hopeful on those coins, not knowing that I've invested in hopelessness. You get what I'm trying to say? So, see, even the hot coin, I was able to cash out on the hot coins. But the meme coin, they were down. But I invested $10, $15 on this, you get, because I think that okay, all these meme coins, they will definitely pump, and they have large supplies, you get. So I invested in them. Before you know, everything went flat, and I liquidate my fund on those coins, you get. And now I'm not saying, excuse me, I'm not saying don't invest in meme coin. But if you're going to invest in meme coin, get proper information about them. Be sure of this coin. Know that they are not pump and dump, and they are stable meme coins. Those meme coins I invested in those days, I thought they were stable coin, but they weren't stable coins. And one thing you should avoid as far as meme coin is concerned is meme coin, you can't trust it. I'm with you. Hi, I'm with you. You can't trust it, okay? So you need to get your information right on them before you start investing in meme coin. Don't liquidate your fund like I did, okay? So what's the next thing that really affected me, that made me lost my money there? I failed to master. I failed to master. Okay, I think I've thought about this on risk management. You need to don't neglect your risk, your strategy. Okay, I've talked about that. But now, another thing that affected me was I failed to. I'm talking about. Sorry. Okay, I'm talking about how I lost my $100. How I liquidated my fund while trading. You understand? I invested in crypto then, and I lost my money. That's what I'm discussing. Okay, so. I think I've talked about various strategy that helped me, that affected, that I failed to master, that makes me lost my money. And I talk about being greedy. Okay, I hear you, Mr. Hindo. Thank you for being part of this. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Okay, you can share the link. Share the link so that some of your friends who are interested in this kind of content can be part of this. Okay, so another thing I failed to master was I failed to master my risk management. See, if you're a crypto or a forex trader, no matter how good you are, no matter how egghead, how good you are in trading, no matter how good you want to take profits, don't you ever play or joke with risk management. It's going to affect you. Okay. All right. Sorry, I want to add. Okay. Okay, you can ask your question, anything you feel like asking, or get out of the screen. Okay. So ask whatever you want to ask me, okay? All right, what was I saying? Okay, I was talking about risk management. Please, if you I failed to master my risk management, it really affected me. So if you're a crypto or a forex trader, don't joke with your risk management. It's going to affect you. It's going to affect you. There are basic 5 to 6 risk management strategies you should learn. I have a video on it. Check my videos. You're going to see the risk management, how to master your risk management so that I can be able to take enough profit in the market. So what I feel to was my ability to master my risk management, and it really affected my trading skill. Excuse me. So what is that risk management I did not master then? This risk management, there are 2. Now, your ability to set your stop loss. Stop loss should be between the range of 1.5 to 2%, and take profit should be within 5%. So I failed to do all this, especially when I was trading. I was so focused on profit. I used to expand my profit percentage. I joke with my risk management before the market dip against my position, and I lost my money. Okay. So your risk management is very important, because risk management helps you to safeguard your fund, and especially your stop loss. It helps you to kicks you out of the market anytime the market is not in your favor. Please understand this. Is going to help you. Okay. It's going to help you. Your risk management is very important. So what's the next thing? What's the next thing I feel to understand? I lack better information about the coin I'm trading. So that's another point. You see, if you want to trade, and this is basically fundamental trading analysis. Do you know ARCO? No, sorry. Excuse me, sorry, I don't know that. After this live, I can do research on that and I'll come back. I don't know that, okay? So what was I saying? I lack basic information about the coin I was trading. Now, if you want to trade any coin, you need to get information about that coin to be sure before you trade, because information about that coin helps you to know what to do around that coin. Don't just trade any coin, don't have residual information, or because you check the chart, you see that this coin is doing well, you want to invest in it. You don't know what is going on behind that coin. Before you trade any coin, before you analyze any coin, please read about the coin very well. Check the ecosystem, see what is going on, ask questions, you understand, see their social media, their white paper. Just get necessary information about this coin before you invest in it, okay? It is very important. It's going to help you. It's going to help your trading skill, and it's going to help you take profit, okay? And that is what affected me. I don't really know. I just go see coin, check for altcoin, and I put money. At the end of the day, I'll be expecting profit, and at the end of the day, I discover that my money dipped against my position. Okay. And what's another thing that really affected me then was I want to make quick money. This is one of the problem of newbie in the industry, because they've heard a lot of persons coming online. They've heard in the news how some persons were making $1,000 a day trading, $3,000 a day trading. So with their little fund, they want to make money. You understand? If you're a crypto trader, if you're a forex trader, let me hint you something. The ecosystem is not a get rich overnight scheme. Yeah, I know Indonesia. I have 165 subscriber. You can add up. Please subscribe, okay? I know you'll see me. Thank you for being part of the channel. Please subscribe, okay? So what was I saying? Quick money is not a yardstick to survive in the industry. If you have the mind to make quick money, then I bet you're in for liquidity, because it will bet a greedy mindset in you. You will always want to jump that looks like profits in the system. And the system is filled with fake news. The system is filled with fake news. It's filled with lot of things that can affect your trading. So you just need to be careful to avoid volatility and stay put on things that work for you. Hi, what's your name, please? Is it Banit J? I can't really. I'm basically talking about things that can help you scale up in the crypto ecosystem, how I lost my money so that you won't make the same mistake I made. I'm still going to do a recap, okay? For many persons that are seeing, I'm going to do a recap, and you guys are still going to know what I'm talking about, okay? In case you're just joining and you're not part of this, you still know it, okay? So quick money is not a yardstick, okay? Take that off your psychology. Come to the market with the aim of taking profits, understanding the market, playing around with the financial institution, creating your position, and taking your profit, okay? Don't just come with the aim of profit tomorrow, you understand? It's going to affect your trade, okay? So that's that about that. So what's the last one? Fear of liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is losing your fund in the market, you understand? So, excuse me. The fear of liquidity has really determined a process, number one, to trade one, and secondly, to create a wrong position. Instead of you having fear of liquidity, or the fear of liquidity is deterring you from trading in the market, why not understand liquidity zone in the market and position yourself for that? Oh, sorry. I don't speak English. I don't speak Indonesian language. Okay, I speak English, please. Okay. Sorry. I don't speak English. I don't speak Indonesian language. I speak English. So what was I saying? So fear of liquidity has really deterred many persons from positioning or taking the right trade because they don't want to lose their fund. But I assure you in the market, if you stay put, you believe in yourself, understanding liquidity zone in the market, you will definitely make enough profit. Excuse me. Don't allow fear to drive your trading skill. Don't allow fear to drive your trading skill. What should drive your trading skill is courage, one, believing in yourself, and studying or mastering the market and see how it works so that you can take profit or position yourself in the areas where you can take profit. You get what I'm trying to say? Understand liquidity zone. What is how do you know liquidity zone? Let me just give you guys one hint here. Sorry, just give me some minute, please. Once you guys just give me some minute, please. So I want to show you something. I believe you guys can see this now. Oh, sorry. Okay, you guys can see this. This. You guys can see that. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can see where I'm marked. That is liquidity. Liquidity simply means two equal order block. That is liquidity in the market. Two equal order block. That is liquidity. Okay. So your ability to understand liquidity zone, and what you should understand about liquidity zone is this. Once you see two equal order blocks at a support or a resistance level, don't trade around it. Because now you see this now. Sorry, I guess you guys can see this. Okay, you guys can see this now. What happened? This comes down before it doesn't stop here, just come down here, right? Now what happened is these two liquidity, this one has sweep out the two liquidity, now coming to take order from here. You get coming to take order from here. So that's it. So if you need to understand liquidity. So if you understand liquidity, then definitely you don't need to panic around trading. you know where to position, and you take your profit. Okay. So those are the things I fail to understand while trading that make me lost my $100. I was so pained. I was so pained, you understand? At least after then, I went to re-strategize, learn how to trade very well. Then I was able to make my money. I'm a fashion designer, that's what I do, and I'm also a crypto trader, majorly technical analyst, you understand? So I had to go back, understand how it works in the market. Then I was able to make money from altcoins. I was able to make money from, I think, Cardano, majorly AVAX and some other altcoin, you understand? So everything I've discussed here today has to do with how I lost $100 trading. And I want to do a recap of everything that makes me lost, everything I failed to understand that makes me make me lose my money. So the first thing is I was very greedy. That's the first thing. I was very greedy. My greediness affected me in the market. I lost my money. I liquidate my funds. The second thing is I feel to neglect. Okay, I focus more on taking profit than neglecting my strategy. I focus more on profits. I neglected my strategy and it affected me. So I liquidate my fund. Okay, you get that. Number three, excuse me. Number three, I go for meme coin. You understand? I went for meme coin. Meme coin is not advisable for traders, you understand, especially if you're a trader. And one of the things you understand about psychology of trading, they will tell you in psychology of trading, don't go for newly listed coin, especially the meme coin. In psychology of trading, is a very poor move and a bad move. Okay. So another thing that affected me was I failed to master my trading strategy. Trading strategy is very important because it helps you to take enough profit in the market. It helps you to take enough profit in the market. Trading strategy, you need to learn it. Master your trading strategy. Don't just be profit oriented. Be strategically oriented. Every day, be developing a new strategy that can work for you. I lack information on those coins I was trading. Now, if you want to trade, you need to get information on the coins you're trading. Hey, I hear you. You need to get information on those coins you're trading. It's very important. Get information on them. Another thing is I want to make quick money. Quick money, yeah, quick money affected because I want to make profit. If I want to make $100, $200, $1,000, okay, which really affected my trading skill. And the last thing is fear of liquidity, fear of losing my money, fear of losing everything I own in the market. And, if you're so you're afraid to lose your money, then you want to enter the market, make money, make money before you know, you've lost all you worked for. So that's all about that. So guys, I want you to ask questions. If you have any question, if you're just joining, thanks for joining. Support, subscribe to the channel. This is Inspire World with Linsky, where I teach how to make money online and how you can grow your crypto skill, how you can upskill in the crypto ecosystem. So subscribe, guys. Subscribe, join the channel, join the community. If you're somebody that really wants to scale up in the crypto ecosystem, you want to learn. My next video, you have $50,000. Yeah. Okay, you want to know how to invest in it. Okay, how can I talk about that? Now, if you have $50,000, you want to know how to. Let me quickly hint you something. Okay, if you have $50,000, you want to invest in crypto trading. Now, what you should do is number one, buy your USDT. Once you've bought your USDT, look for altcoin. Altcoin. And before you invest in any altcoin are coins that are any point, anytime, they are always stable in the market. Don't worry, stay part of it, okay? You can still trade with it, okay? So if you have $50, you buy USDT. Now, after buying your USDT, look for altcoin you can invest in. Before you invest in those altcoins, do your proper fundamental analysis. Majorly, maybe you want to go into spot trading. Do your fundamental analysis. And what do you need to do? Get information around this coin. Information around those coins first will tell you what is happening within the coin ecosystem. It tells you if there are investors, if there are people investing in those coins, if they are partnering in the new updates the new updates that is trending within the coin ecosystem. This will give you leverage to invest in those coins. Don't just pick a coin and invest in it, okay? That's how to invest if you have your money. Don't just invest in any coin. Number one, get proper information around that coin before you invest. I think I've answered your question, okay? So, who else again? Who else? Okay. So I think I'm done with everything that I need to talk about, how I lost my money, and who else again has a question. I'm talking about things I fail to understand and make me lost my $100 there when I start trading. So guys, who else again? Who is coming up? Okay, if you want to make new money as fast, all right, Mr. Ahmed Jubril, okay, I hear you. Now, if you want to make money online, one of the first thing I will tell you is it is not a get rich overnight scheme, okay? It is not a get rich overnight scheme. It's something you build in time. I make my first $100 promoting Descript. Descript, yeah, I remember Descript online. I think I promoted that app on Twitter. Yeah, I promoted it on Twitter and to generate $100 promoting it. Now, if you want to make money online, I can advise you to promote affiliate marketing, okay? Learn affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the biggest way people make money online, where you promote a product, they give you commission for it. Okay, students with something to learn to make money online. You can learn about affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing can help you generate passive income. Blogging. If you're into blogging is another way. I have a blog that is Google AdSense approved. Okay, it's a monetized blog. So what do I do? I consistently update on the blog and promote it on my social media. So once you update on that blog and you're promoting it, your view is a leverage to make money. How people make money blogging is view convert into money, okay? So once you have your blog, you can register with Adstera, MoneyTag, Enzoic, Media Tribe. I think Media Tribe. You can register with Google AdSense. You can register your blog with them, and then once they approve your blog, then you consistently post on your blog, then you start making money. Another thing you can do to make money online is there are basic applications that can help you make money online. We have, I think Honeygain. Yeah, I think Honeygain. We have Swap. We have okay, I think I'll have to do video on that so that you guys can see applications that can all these applications. All you just use to share data, survey on them. You generate passive income just doing that. You understand? And another thing you can do to make money online again, if you don't want to do affiliate marketing, if you don't want to blog, if you don't want to follow this application, another way you can make money is through writing ebooks. Okay, through writing ebook. Okay, I see you're writing. Ben, send me that. Okay, writing of ebooks can help you to generate passive income. Now, AI has made it easy to write ebooks online. You can use ChatGPT to generate your content. You use your Microsoft, use WPS to convert it, or Google Docs to convert it into a PDF file. Then you sell it on Gumroad, Seller, Amazon. I think these are the three platforms I know very well that sell. You can sell on Seller, you can sell on Gumroad, you can sell on Amazon. I think Coursera, you can sell on Coursera. So these platforms help you to sell these ebooks. And if you feel you can't write with ChatGPT, then you can use ebook PLR. Generate your book from there, then you sell. Okay. What other things can you do to generate passive income online? You can promote applications like what's the name of this application? GeekPay. Yeah, GeekPay, former GeekPay. You can promote that. You can promote what's the name? Hostinja, Bluehost, Ocean Blues. I think it's the Ocean Blue also. Yeah. you can promote these applications and web hosting platform to generate passive income. So although that's not why I'm here, okay? But if you still need, I can still teach you that, okay? That's what this platform is all about, how to generate passive income and how to upscale the crypto ecosystem, okay? So I've deviated from what I was teaching. All right, guys. What other question do you want to ask? I'm waiting for you guys. Ask your questions. Ben said, yeah, you said you have $40. That's quite good. Okay. Oh, thanks. I have got something. Really? So I'm clapping. I'm clapping for myself on this. Oh, you've done well. Let me give myself a thumbs up for that. Okay. All right. You guys follow me, subscribe. When you see this video, okay, I will still do live, maybe probably tomorrow or next tomorrow. So which I'm coming up with new ideas that can help you. Okay. So and I'm gonna show you guys. I think I need to do video on how you guys can write ebooks. I need to do a video on that so that you guys can know how to write a book and sell online. Okay, so who is up for question? I think so. Welcome. Thanks for joining. I just finished discussing how I lost my $100 trading. If you need a recap, you can just type recap. I'll just give you guys a recap. Then I can just do a recap so that you guys can know what I've discussed, what you guys missed out. Okay, please don't just join, subscribe. Don't just join the live. Subscribe, follow the channel. Let's grow together. It's going to be a big family and a big community where I will definitely be pouring out everything I know around crypto ecosystem and everything I know around making money online, especially blogging, affiliate marketing, how to promote your affiliate marketing and make money. You know, there are strategy to doing all those things, and that is what many persons don't understand. I'm going to teach you guys strategies, platform where you can actually promote and make money, how to promote and make money. All right, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Just give it a thumbs up. Okay. All right. What do you want to know? Okay, Shimuz official. What do you want to know about blogging? Ask your question. Let me answer you. What do you want to know about blogging? Just ask your question around blogging. What do you want to know? Okay. Before you push your question on blogging, what is the meaning of blogging? Blogging simply means broadcast log. That's the meaning of blogging, broadcast log. So if you want to blog, as a newbie, I don't advise people to just get a web host, website, stuff, you understand? And if you have the capacity, you can do that. What I used to advise people is get familiar with blogging first before all these things. Get familiar with blogging first before all these things. So what do? Excuse me. First, open a free domain blog. Understand the nitty-gritty of blogging before you move into blogging. Now, if you want to blog, welcome. Thanks for joining. If you want to blog, the first thing you need is you need to ask yourself, why do you want to blog? If you're able to conquer that, the next thing you ask yourself is, on which niche do I want to blog? There are some blogging niche that will affect your monetization. You might not get good revenue. And there are some blogging niche that will give you good monetization. So let me give you 5 blogging niche that can help you to blog well. The first niche is financial management. The second niche is health and well-being. The third niche is tutorial, how to. You understand? Blogs that teach how to. That's the third one. The fourth niche is niches that deals with web designing, affiliates, and the likes, you understand? And I think the fifth niche should be around crypto trading, investment, financial investment, and the likes you get. And there are still other ones that does well, okay? Other ones that does well. So once you're able to get those niche now, so you can now diversify within those niche. You understand? It helps you. My blogging niche is around crypto ecosystem. So what do? I share news around crypto. I talk about crypto technical analysis, share information. I build people orientation around crypto. You understand? So these are the things you need to understand if you want to blog. Now, once you've understand the niche, the next thing is to put into action. Then you look for a platform where you want to blog with. You can use Medium, Blogger, or WordPress. Then get a domain and start blogging with it. So once you get your domain, then the next thing is how to get the right content. You understand? That is, it's not just writing content, it is content that can convert. You understand? Content that can make people click, content that can engage people. Then once you're able to do that, then the next thing is promotion and how to drive traffic. You get? You don't blog and expect and rely on Google to put your blog as the first view and the likes you get. Okay, he said, I tried many platforms for passive income, but I have never earned. So, my dear, it's not difficult, you understand. Now, let me explain this to you. Excuse me. Let me explain this to you. You know, one of the problem many persons make as far as passive income is concerned is you get your product, then you share on platform. No. One of the things that help you to make money, make passive income online is your ability to build a niche, one, your ability to build a community, two, and your consistency in posting. Now, and one thing is find a product that work. Don't just get affiliate market because you want to get affiliate market or because this person is selling this. I'm somebody that likes to talk about crypto on my platform, and I talk about lifestyle. Are you getting me? Now, choose a platform for yourself. WhatsApp, yeah, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So what do you do on your social media every day when you come online? What do you do? What do you do on your social media? Don't just post because you want to post. Carve a niche for yourself you talk about every day. That's how you build a community. You get what I'm trying to say? That's how you build a community. What do you talk about? You can choose to talk about sports. You can choose to talk about health. But I'm going to advise, if you want to talk about health more, because ClickBank are the best health product and the whole thing. You can choose to talk about exercise, gymming, well-being. You just carve a niche. Find something to talk about on your social media platform every day. Now, if you talk about this thing on a daily basis, people who are interested in it begin to find your niche valuable. They begin to join you, then you begin to build a community. Now, this will give you a leverage to promote product to them, and you make money. You get what I'm trying to say? It is not something that happens overnight. It is something that you do little by little, and it converts into something. Affiliate markets, the thing you need to understand is what you're promoting, many persons are promoting the same thing, and some of them, they have bigger lead board than you do. You understand? So the best way to make money with them is building your own community. Your social media should not be for cruise. If you really want to make money with affiliate marketing, your social media should not be a cruise. And join other communities too. You can use the likes of Quora. You can use answer.com. Yeah, answer.com. Your Facebook, what do you use your Facebook for? You just post your pictures? No. Talk about products. Go to ClickBank, copy a product, talk about, you might not even put the link of the product there. Copy the product, talk about it. You can keep talking about the products every day. One day, just throw the link up. You get? Throw the link up. Before you know, somebody is interested in it, we buy it. Build a community that works. My TikTok, I talk about crypto and I talk about vibes. Social trend on my TikTok. I talk about crypto one and I talk about social trend. I'm not on Facebook, so I'm not on Facebook. You understand? So what do you talk about? Build a community for yourself, okay? I think one of these days I'm going to talk to you guys about things to do, how to make money, strategies that can help you. Still be rest assured, it is not a get rich scheme. It is not a get rich overnight scheme, okay? Just give yourself time, okay? Every day on my Facebook, I want to do 5 posts every day. On my Facebook, I want to do 2 posts every day. On my Facebook, I want to do 3 posts every day. You understand? Before you know, you're there. You get what I'm trying to say? Before you know, you're there already. Okay? So I believe, what's his name? Shimus Official. I think I've answered your question, right? I've answered your question, please. Who else again? Thanks for joining. Subscribe to the community. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Who else again? So, although I've deviated out of what I want to talk about today. I've deviated out of many of it. I was actually talking about how I lost $100 trading crypto. I ended up talking about blogging. Because many persons are asking questions around this monetization of the thing. But don't let anybody deceive you, okay? It is not a get rich overnight scheme. It is not a get rich overnight scheme. So, guys, thanks for joining. Oh, wow. All right, so if you have any question around making money online and crypto, I think I'm done with talking about things. And if you still want me to recap, I can recap, okay? I'm coming. Ask questions. I'm coming. So, guys, all right, okay. Let me check my time. I think by 3 I should be off. All right. Okay. So we're talking about making money. How I lost my $100. So if you're into crypto trading, and if you're into money making, ask questions around things you need to do to make money online. What is your fear around making money online? Ask questions around it. I'll be here to answer you. Okay, I think, sorry, Emzo Shimos Official, you said you created a blog, but I couldn't monetize it. Okay, sorry, if you're still here with me, if you're following me, let me answer this question. Don't rely on Google AdSense for monetization. Let me give you a platform that can help you monetize your blog, irrespective of your traffic or whatever. Adsterra. Let me spell it. Adsterra. Okay, Adsterra is ADSTERRA.com. Adsterra.com will give you the leverage to monetize your blog. They don't have they are not biased in accepting applications, and so you can use Adsterra to monetize your blog. My blog is Adsterra monetized, Google AdSense monetized, and Moneytag monetized. Okay, so you can use Adsterra to monetize your blog. I guess if you're still here, you're seeing this. I think I've answered your question. So Adsterra can help you to monetize your blog, leverage on it. If there's no blog, if there's no platform that have accepted your application, use Adsterra to monetize your blog. Okay, if you're a new blogger, it helps you. Okay, so you start making your money like that with Adsterra, and the Moneytag too can help you as well. And I think there is one Yeek something, but I think that's a China monetization platform. Okay, I think I've answered that. Does anybody have any other question? Okay. All right, I'm waiting. Okay, if you're seeing this, if you're joining, support the channel, subscribe to the channel. So Okay, you say you're back. All right, I see you. I see you. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for coming back. I think I just finished talking about sorry, platform that you can use to monetize your blog. Platform that you can use to monetize your blog. Adstera is a very good platform. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being part of the channel. I just finished talking about how I lost my $100. Hi. I just finished talking about how I lost my $100. So if you need me to do a recap on that, so people asking questions about how to make money online and things they can do to make money, and as well as crypto trading. So let's ride how to make money online and how I lost my $100. So who is go? Let's go. Who is in? Who is in for me? Excuse me. Okay, let me share my experience with you. I think let me talk about. Should I share my experience with you? How I first monetize my blog with Google AdSense. I joined when one of the things that helped me was on my first 30 posts were organic posts. My first 30 posts were organic posts. I just post organically and I promoted them on all my platforms, social media platform. I was able to generate enough traffic, but I strictly adhered to Google principles. Okay, that was what I did. I strictly adhered to Google principles. So in pace of, I started blogging February 2024. By August 2024, I got monetized by Google. By August, when I got monetized by Google, and that was it. So I used Adstera to monetize my blog. So I started posting. My money is reading on Adstera. Sorry, both Adstera and Google, okay? But one thing I want you to understand, you need hard work. You need to post consistently. You need to post quality posts. You know, your post is not that quality. Google, what's the name? Google algorithm will not crawl your blog post. You need to be focused. You need to post consistently, okay? Excuse me. Excuse me, which is going to help you. Huh? So that's that. I think I've answered that. What question do you want to ask around? Excuse me, around making money online and around crypto ecosystem? I think by three, I should be out of here. By three, I'll be out of here. By three, exactly three. He said he can't hacking. Sorry, I don't understand what you're talking about here. I don't understand beans, G. I don't understand underscore G. I don't understand what you're talking about. So, guys, that's that about making money. How I lost my $1,000. I think I've talked about that, and people have asked questions around things they can do, blogging, things they can do to make money and the likes. I think I've answered that. People have talked about, okay, somebody talk about yes, 4,000 rupee. How can they do it? Okay. Oh, sorry, I don't do gaming. I don't do gaming. What I teach majorly is things to make money online and crypto ecosystem. But for now, I'm still focusing on crypto trading, which is my leverage for now. Okay. So if you have question around crypto you want to ask, and question around what my life title is all about, how I lost my money, which I've already done something around that. I've already tackled that, and I've really dealt with that to the fullest. So, and if you have money and you're free to liquidate, ask question, what can I do to avoid liquidity? What can I do? Strategy I can use for trading that can help me. All those things, okay? Ask question around it and see. So guys, let's go. Okay. No, let me spell it for you. Let me spell it. ADS ADSTERR A Okay, I'll show you now, please. I'll make it very bold. I'll make it very bold and I'll show you. Can you see now? A D. So you can see ADSTETERRA. Can you see now? Can you see ADSTERRA? Adstera. Adstera. Do you copy, right? You copy now? Adstera. So use Adstera to monetize your blog. Use Adstera to monetize your blog, okay? Use Adstera to monetize your blog. Let me okay, let me give you one hack about Adstera. Shimu's official. Let me give you one hack around Adstera that you need to understand. There's a particular link in Adstera. They call it direct link, where you can share on your platform. This direct link is they just leverage on view and clicks. You understand? So you know, many of you are on social media, but you don't know how to put links. Put link on your social media bio, clickable links. Put your Adstera or money tag links there. If your follower is increasing, then definitely that link has the potential of generating passive income for you. So if you're using Adstera, they have a direct link where you can actually paste on your social media bios. So once you paste that there, yeah, I'm from Nigeria. Where are you from? Next Gen Trading Wiz. Oh, wait, are you a trading wizard? Next generation trading wizard. All right now, okay. I'm from Nigeria. Do you have anything for the bro? Okay, Chimbos, let me finish up with you. Oh wow, Morocco. All right, no one. You have anything for the bro? Sorry, what's the name? Shimu's official. What was I saying? So direct link, you know, your Instagram gives you leverage to put a website on your a web on your bio. Facebook give you a leverage to do that. TikTok give you a leverage to do that. Just copy the direct link from that Adstera, put it on your platform, on your social media platform. The more your followers grow, the more this link gives you potential to generate passive income. So once they click those links, you just redirect them, then they give you money for the link. And the funniest thing is what many of you don't know is this. Many of you on social media always leverage on having friends within your ecosystem, within your country, especially if you want to make money on social media. Let me advise you. If you want to make money on social media, let your friends that are much come from America, UK, and Europe. You get what I'm trying to say? Make more friends from those areas, because if you're selling those links on your bio, definitely these people from this part of the world, they have more leverage to give you more passive income than people in your ecosystem, in your own country. So have more friends in all these countries, because once they click those links, imagine somebody clicking from America, you're having $2 already. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's the trick. But you have to pay for this trick. But I'm sharing it with you for free. Okay, so that's a hack. Okay, bro from Morocco, what's the name? Next Gen Trading Wizard. Okay, I just finished talking about how I lost my $100, my early days of trading, and I share my strategy. And one of the things I talk about is how, number one, I was very greedy. Number two, I neglect risk management, and I focus on taking profits. The next thing I did was to focus on meme coin. You get, I failed to master my strategy. I lack better information about the coin I was trading. What moves me more in the market is making money fast and the fear of liquidity. So those are the things I share before now, and I've talked about them. And if you need me to do a recap and talk to you about how to safeguard your fund, because basically I was unable to safeguard my fund That was why I liquidated my $100 then. And these are the knowledge I failed to understand. So once I understand them, it's helped me to safeguard my fund from liquidity. You get that? Okay. Now, what's the name? Shimos Official. You need to clock subscription. If you have not subscribed, I will be very angry with you. Get what I'm trying to say? You need to subscribe since you're getting free information from me that you need to pay for. All right, just give me the like, give me the thumbs up. That's all I need from you, and subscribe. That's all I need from you. And I want you to share this live with your friends. Share it on your social media platform, okay? So that people that are interested in this can get it. I want this live to travel far. I want this to travel far. I want the streaming to travel far, okay? All right. So he's who is in. All right, I want you guys, if you're enjoying what you're saying, please give me a thumbs up. I want to know whether you're enjoying what I'm saying. Just click the thumbs up, smash the thumbs up, okay? Smash the thumbs up. Smash the thumbs up. Please don't smash it. Okay. All right, give me 1 minute. I'm coming, guys. All right, I'm back. So, who is in for me? Who has questions? I just finished talking about how I lost what's the name? How I lost $100 trading, and I ended up orientating people around blogging and things they can do to make money online. If you really want to make money online, if you're interested in making money online, you have questions, you've struggled, you don't really understand the strategy you need to take that works for you, you can eventually ask your question here. Just lock in what you need to know. I'll definitely answer you. I'll definitely reply you and give you what you need to understand. All right, guys. Is it 3 already? By 3, I'm logging out. By 3, I'm logging out. I'm going to TikTok. Let's just do 20 minutes on TikTok. They will vanish out of here. They will vanish out of here. So are we in? Are we in? Are we in? Are we in? All right. I have how many minutes to go? I have 17 minutes to lock out. All right. So who are we on? So who is in? Ask your question, give recommendations, give recommendations. Give recommendations. Give recommendations. Ask your questions. Give recommendations. So if you're joining, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Ask your questions. All right. Okay. All right. See, let me tell you, Shimos Official, don't give up. This is my first. Shimos, are you with me, Shimos Official? This is my first live ever since I've been on YouTube. I've been on YouTube 2022. I abandoned YouTube for 2 years. I said, let me try live and see how it works. And as a matter of fact, I got engagement. Shimos Official, you engaged me. Do you know how happy I am? You engaging me? Eventually, I was able to solve a problem for you. What does it mean? It shows I have prospects if I can continue. There are many persons like you that have the same problem you have who are looking for answers. So if I'm consistent, I will reach them. You get? Why am I saying this? Never. You get? All you need is one person a day to prove to you that you're doing well. You need one person a day to prove to you that you're doing well. So if you're seeing one view, two view, keep updating. What drives men to your platform, what bring people back to your platform is when they can attest to your consistency. And what does consistency do? Consistency consistently puts you in their face every day. If they keep ignoring you, and they keep seeing you every day, they are ignoring you. One day they will say, let me click and see this thing I used to see every day. And once they click, they begin to get your value. That's how growth starts. Mm? Don't give up on your dream. Mm? Keep pushing. Chimu's official. Mm? You just need one person every day to go. And if you're consistent every day, then you will see yourself at the top. I really appreciate you, okay? I appreciate you for your question. I appreciate you for everything you ask. And I really thank God I was able to answer you and I was able to solve one or two problems. So definitely on Tuesday, today's Monday, okay, well, on Tuesday, definitely Wednesday or Thursday, I'll come back. Maybe I'll be discussing some major thing around trading. It should just be a thrown up platform where I'll talk randomly around things that can help you upscale in the crypto ecosystem, and then majorly strategies that can help you trade that you can use to trade. Me, I don't like Fibonacci retracement. Okay, Okay, I think I see you say I'm also doing crypto and forex as well, but in my area, nobody know this, so I'm trying to learn, but I'm facing difficulty moment. Okay, Chimu's official. I'm not a forex person. What I do mostly is crypto. Okay, but my major trading area is sports. I do more sports because I have other things I'm doing. Crypto is a side also. So what I do is I do sporting trade because I don't have that much time to sit and watch the market, but I can analyze the market to the fullest. That one I can do it for you to the fullest. So what I would like you to do is this. My channel is not to teach cuts and create a community you have to pay. Okay, my channel is to teach you what you will pay dollars to learn. I'll bring it to my channel. I will teach you. All you just need is to get your data to stream it, download it, subscribe to this channel to get more. That's all. Okay. And you can actually join my Telegram community and my WhatsApp community. If you check my video, I have them in my description. Okay. I don't think I can put it there. YouTube does not have that platform to put any other thing here. Okay. If you're going to be learning, your technical analysis is very important. You need to learn that against. And another thing is be very familiar with information. When you wake up in the morning, what do you do when you're done praying, when you're done with your prayer? The next thing is to go online, read news around forex, read news around crypto, get familiar with information. You understand? It helps you. It helps your trading psychology, widen your knowledge with what is going on. And every day, create hours, 30 minutes to study the market. Use your trading view, okay? Use your coin market cap. Study the market, study the behavior of those coins. Then before you know, you begin to get familiar and your knowledge begin to grow in it, okay? All right, guys, I think I'm done. I need to go to TikTok. I need to go stream on TikTok. Let me see if I can catch one or two fishes in TikTok. All right. All right, guys. I think I really helped one or two persons here. Whoa, I think somebody's giving me a crown. Wow, thank God. All right. I really appreciate you guys. Okay. I'm really, really jaded and I need to go off. Okay. Thanks for your love. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything. I need to go. Okay, guys. I need to kick out. So see ya guys in my next live. Subscribe if you subscribe if you just joined the channel. Okay, just subscribe. All right, I think I need to go now. Let's go. Let me off. Please subscribe. See you in my next video.